Right here, gonna fill up on some E85 and then gonna head out to the first spot. Man, look at this shit. The shit you see in Texas 2K, man. What? It's definitely a lot taller in person.
Oh, there you go. You guys want to run each other? Cool.
Here, gonna fill up on some E85 and then gonna head out to the first spot. Hopefully it's not too hot out there tonight. Man, I really hope not. Let's see. Pretty sketchy tonight. Pretty sketchy.
Yeah, no, we're pretty good with RPM back home, but
okay.
I don't know on performance parts, you know what I mean? So
yeah.
It's hard.
So y'all not local, huh?
Nope, 16 hours.
When you gotta test the 85, like you got options anyway. Dude, just pump that shit, let's go.
Oh, that's right on the money.
What's that at?
Yeah, that's good enough. It's almost 85. Man, shit down here is good.
Dude, come on, man, let's go. Damn.
Where I'm from,
shit.
Put like each fucking 60 in this shit.
Man, this guy, let's go. We're already late to the first meet, and now they're switching locations, so we're just playing catch up right now. We're over here bullshitting. A few more cars just showed up, and we all going to the same place. I'm gonna wait for them to fill up, and we're all gonna head out. C6Z says making over 1,000. I'm not sure what the GTR is making, but obviously these guys could be lying. What's she making?
1,200.
12?
Yeah, 1,200.
Definitely getting thick in here now. I pulled in and I was like, oh, I know who I'm parking next to. Man, look at this shit. The shit you see in Texas 2K, man. I know that turbo definitely breathing.
Hey man, your ProCharged is the second biggest?
I wouldn't even say that, nah. Who are you gonna be running tonight?
Who am I gonna be running?
Yeah.
Whoever shows up.
What's it making?
1,000-ish.
1,000-ish? Okay, so this is Texas 2K, so I take your 1,000 and I add about 50% to it. So about 1,500 or what?
Nah. Well, so it's never been dynoed.
It's never been dynoed.
Yeah, not yet. So it should be, I would say, anything between 1,000 to 1,200.
It makes around 1,000, 1,100.
Okay, I'll line it up, fuck it. I need to do test sits because I took some power out of it just to maintain traction. I just want to do maybe like just 1 or 2 and then I'm just ready to race through it. So if it hooks at the timing that I have it set at, then I'll probably add a little bit more and see what happens.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, is it twin turbo?
Yeah.
Twin turbo. What kit?
All the welds.
All the weld kit. And Motec. Definitely got that traction control. The car definitely works, man.
1500 wheel.
Huh?
1500.
1500 wheel.
Hey, that's a good race, though.
All right.
Hey,
Yeah.
I appreciate the run. These fools wouldn't let me go in the house until I
Honestly-
got to run, bro.
Honestly,
This car before, but the dude didn't hook like your same setup.
Yeah.
And he made like 1250, bro, but he didn't hook it.
right.
He couldn't hook it.
I wouldn't hook 1250 right now either.
Yeah, he wasn't hooking. It was like all over the place.
Yeah.
Bro, you did a perfect gear, and just the torque pulled you like, "Urgh." I was like, oh, fuck. He's with it.
Nah. So right now we have it turned down.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you say you turned down as well,
Yeah,
right?
I'm turned
so,
down.
So you
I'm on,
probably...
probably maybe like 12,
12? Okay. Yeah.
somewhere in the 12s.
Right now, I'm
1200.
right around maybe like 1100.
Yeah. How much you weigh?
Oh, like 34 maybe?
Yeah, I'm like, I'm over.
I mean, with the passenger and everything.
Oh, yes.
We're
I am
probably like
not-
46 with a
I
passenger.
mean, I am...
Got a crowd over there. Kyle from 1320's over there looking at Gozi's car, so I think they're gonna want to film that thing, which is pretty sick. That's living the dream right there. That's where I want to be one day. Having Kyle take a ride in mine, and I go wreck people. Ready to get this party started.
All right, so we out here now. Spoke to the 1320 guy. Trying to line me up with this blue Mustang, so we're gonna go see what that's about. You ready? Want to show me the car?
What's up?
Want to show me the car you talking about, the blue Mustang?
I think it's blue Mustang over here.
He's definitely a lot taller in person. All right.
Blue Mustang, right?
Oh yeah, that looks like about 1500 horses right there. Okay. Yeah, it's clean. Pickup performance.
He said he's like 1100.
Yeah. All right. Fuck it. I mean, we're here now, so kind of see how it goes. Ran the Turbo Fox, and it wasn't even like a fucking race. But then the white one kind of kept up with it. So now it's like, I mean, I don't want to waste nobody's time,
So
and vice versa.
the white car's the fastest one that I brought. The blue car's not on that level.
Okay.
So I
The
think
red vet's 1,000.
Okay. Come on now. If it's the homie. What's going on, baby?
I run you that day as well.
What's up?
I was trying to run you that, what was it, Wednesday?
Oh, yeah. Here we go. We're trying to get out of here, so we're going to get this time in.
Yeah.
Bail.
All right.
We got to get up in 3 hours.
Yeah. That was waiting on me?
Yeah.
I was the main event?
Yeah. Well, we raced a bunch earlier, but
I got you.
we were about to leave.
That's it.
How fast do you want to go?
We'll do a 6 to the 160.
That way? And then, right here. 60. Oh, there you go. You guys want to run each other?
Yeah, let me just guess real quick. We'll do two runs.
I'm not going to But the good thing is, he wasn't moving that fast anyway. But I spun pretty immediately.
like it's about to come down. So I'm gonna go ahead and load her up and meet up with my boy with the C6. He's taking it to a local shop just to get some stuff checked out. Here now at Horsepower Connection, I think it's what it's called. All right, and buddy's car over there. So hey, so what are they gonna be looking at?
The wiring, they're gonna clean it up.
Okay.
It's kind of good for me to go last.
Awesome. Yeah. Did you ask them about like how the car was like pushing water out?
Yeah, they said it was just because it was overfilled, and now it's settled back down to the fill line.
All right, yeah.